Okay, so can you see my screen?
Please.
Okay, so I think we completed 4, right?
Yes.
And then I gave you work to complete. So
Yes,
let's
please.
look at the works. But I believe now your understanding about the programming is clear, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. So what the okay, I think I give the family this thing to you to work on, or it's not this one.
Please,
What
that
was
one
the
we did it
assignment? The work
on
with you.
the visualspiral.py, the spiral rosette.py, and the s- the s- spa- the family spirals of spirals.
Did I give you the Spara family, right? And then we had an empty list. Okay, so you were supposed.
So please, that one we did it. We have done it already.
Mm-hmm.
We did the visual spiral and then the programming challenges. Hello. Hi.
Mm-hmm. You did what?
The visual spiral and the programming challenges.
Mm-hmm.
Those
We
were
did.
the assignments.
So this one we did it, right? Have you
Yes,
done this?
yes,
Okay, so I did this one with you, right?
yes, please.
Okay. So we got to. Okay, so we are here. This is what I asked you to do, right?
Yes, yes,
So were you able to do it?
yes, please.
You did it.
Yes,
Okay, so that is the Vara Spara, right?
the
Okay. So how did you do it? How did you do it? So if I have this code, arrange it for me. So I'm going to copy. You know this one hasn't been arranged well. So now I'll copy it and then I will let you do the arrangement for me. So you will tell me what to do. Okay.
okay.
Since you cannot share your screen, so that is the only thing I can do. Okay, so I'm going to okay, so I have this code. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, please.
Okay, so now tell me how to arrange this code. So line one, okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. Then line two, okay.
Yes.
Okay. It's line three, okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. It's line four, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so line five, what do I need to do? It's line six, okay.
Line 5, you need to bring size assigned to what is over there.
To where? To line six.
Yes.
Okay, so I need to bring
Size
size size
assigned to.
assigned to like this
Yes. And then you continue with how many sides in your spiral of spirals.
with line
You,
7. So how will
yes.
I do
Continue with
it?
line 7.
I'll continue with like this.
Then you bring the colors.
So colors, where am I bringing the colors from?
The colors from the line 5, colors assigned to the list of colors.
So this is what I have. This is what I have. So now
Yes.
line I should bring line 7 there to line 6. Is that what you are saying? To
Yes, you
join.
should end at the two brackets close.
So it should be something like this.
Yes,
And then I should bring what?
colors. The colors assigned to.
So the colors assigned to should come here.
Yes, then the line 8 will continue.
So that should be like this.
Yes.
Okay. And then what again? So
The line 10 should be in the indent.
the line 10 should be in the indent. Okay.
Yes. Then
Okay.
the
So position to also be in the indent.
yes.
So I should put line. So where and where should be in the indent? From
Line
line
11 and 12.
only line 11 and 12. Is it
Yes.
up to all these ones supposed to be in the indent?
No.
No. So okay, so let me do yeah. So you
So
said line
line 11, 12, and 13.
12 and 13. Okay.
Self therefore any
Uh-huh.
range.
What
Therefore
for?
any range.
Okay, so the range to start with for any range like this.
Yes. It should be
Okay,
in the indent.
it should be in the indent.
Yes.
Okay, so I should have this one and then line 17.
Yes.
Okay, what about so from
18.
18 should also be in the indent.
18, 19, and 20.
So from 18 to the
20.
last, all should be in the 24, all should be in the indent.
No,
Is that what
from 18 to 20.
18 to 20
Yes.
should be in the indent?
Yes.
Okay. Then what happened to
Then therefore any range, you move it to the first indent.
Where?
Therefore, any range is supposed to be with the print the same indent as the print.
Where? I'm not getting you.
Therefore, any range should be in the indent for the T heading.
For n in range, should be in the indent of what?
The first one.
So like this. Are you saying like this? Like this.
Simplicity didn't bring print into bracket position heading.
Print into bracket position heading at where? Here.
After the T dot heading.
This one.
Yes. Then therefore any range is supposed to follow the same indent.
It's supposed to follow what indent? This indent.
Yes. Therefore N is supposed to follow the same indent.
Hello.
Hi.
It's supposed to follow what indent?
The first indent.
Are you saying that the inner four loops supposed to fall within that too?
Yes.
So I should have all this one in the first indent.
No.
Like this.
Yes. Then starting
That the
from
four.
line. Starting from line 21.
So all this one supposed to be in the four indent like this.
Yes. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Then from line 21, 22 to 24.
Hello.
Hi.
You say what?
From line 21 to 24.
Mm-hmm.
It's supposed to be in the first indent.
Supposed to be in the first indent. So from
Yes.
21.
Yes, to the last line.
So
So the T dot pen up is not part.
so I have this one supposed to be in what? The first indent. Is that what you say?
Yes. Yes, please. But the T dot pen up is not part.
So Peter Pan is supposed to be in what? The
For
this.
yes, this.
So then it means that from 22 to this. Is that what
25.
you mean?
Yes.
It's supposed to be.
Yes, please.
Okay, so let me run it. So he asked me for the number, how many side in the spiral. So default is 4. So let me maintain the default. But it's not drawing. It gave me error and says that the name error heading is not defined. It gave me error saying that heading is not defined.
Sir, please, which line?
So see the error. You can see name error. The name heading is not defined in line 13.
Okay, so it's supposed to be heading assigned to T dot heading into parentheses.
So line 13 is supposed to be what? But
So
where I'm
please,
doing the
the
printing.
line 12. So please, line 12. So please, line 12, the heading assigned to.
Okay, heading assigned to, so I should have this one here,
Then
and
the
then
T
this
dot.
will come there like this, right?
Yes,
Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be.
yes, please.
Okay, so I'll run it again, and then I'll go to 4. Okay, so I can see something is drawing there, and it's printing the headings numbers for me. That how you
Yes, please.
Okay, so let's see how our design will be like. So um we gave 4, so I'm getting 4. So now, in terms of the explanation, do you understand what is going on?
Yes.
Okay, so then you have to explain to me. Today there you are not teaching me. I have my madam teaching me here. So now can you explain what's happening?
So first we imported our turtle and made our turtle pen.
Mm-hmm.
Then we then we made our background color and we asked turtle to access the number of sides we want using the colors given.
Mm-hmm.
Then inner our inner loop draws the number of sides that we enter.
Mm-hmm. I'm listening. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm listening. I'm listening to your explanation.
Then our inner loop the draws the number of sites we enter using the colors given.
Okay. And
Then
what
it
are the
starts.
outer loop? What does it do? The outer loop, what does it do? What does the outer loop do?
It gives the turtle pen the position it's supposed to go to.
And what again? And then does it also, I think that the outer loop does specify the number of times the turtle should,
Yes,
right? Because it give
yes,
you like 100. So it's going to instruct the inner loop to draw with the pens and stuff 100 times. Okay, giving the position as well to the inner loop, right? Okay,
yes.
so I think that is fine. You've done well. So what assignment again?
Our programming challenges.
Programming challenge. Were you able to do it?
Yes. So please, I was able to get the code, but the spiral rosette didn't come the way you printed it to come.
Okay, so let's go through that. Let me see what you did. Okay, so we will go through that. Then you show me your code. You cannot show, so I'll do it and then you direct me how you did it. Okay, since you cannot present. Okay, so I'll only copy it and then you show me how you did it. I hope it's clear. Hello. 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 Yeah, Reina, can you hear me? Reina, can you hear me? Our programming challenge supposed to get something like this. Hello.
Let's replace the inner loop with an inner loop that draws a rosette. Then add the code to change the colors and sizes of the circles in each rosette. As an added touch, change the width of the pen slightly as your circles get bigger. When you finish, save the new program as spiralrosette.py. Figure 4 to 8 shows a drawing produced by one solution to this challenge.
Okay, so now do you understand the question? That is
Yes,
the first.
please.
What is the question saying?
It said that we should create a program which draws rosettes in another one.
Mm-hmm. So what kind of rosette are we looking at now? So now you could see that you see that we should think about how you might modify the spara, vara spara. Okay. So we want to see how. And then it says that program to replace the small sparrow with the rosette like. Okay, those in what? So it means that in your sparrow program, let's see, I don't know if that's what you did. So in your sparrow program, the inner one, we are not talking about the outer. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm seeing that now. When we look at our Varus para, okay, so we are not going to touch the your modification. We are not going to touch the outer loop, right? It's the
Yes.
inner loop that we are going to consider. Now, when we touch your loop, see what do we need to change. Now you can see here what is doing the magic is what is the forward, because that is what is going to draw move forward. Okay, so we have what t dot forward. Okay, and then we pick what n time 2 times n, so that is going to pick the inner loop to do the drawing. Okay, I hope it's
Okay.
clear. And then
Yes.
when you see here the right, turn right, that one is the angle. So we, instead of left, we use the right. Okay, then we take 360 divided by the number of the size. So if, for instance, if my size is 4, what will be the 360 over 4 will be what? 90, right?
Yes.
So 90 minus 2, that will give us the angle. So this one is just here to calculate the angle. So you might decide not to also touch it. Okay. So now let's go and check our. So this is where you do the changes. The rest is to be the same. I hope it's clear.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Hi.
And then the outer loop here is also going to be different. Okay, so now let's just focus on what we needed to do. Okay, so now when you come to your question here, we have the roasted 6.py. So we need to check roasted 6py. What is it doing that can replace? Okay, okay, because that's what the question is saying, that think about how you might modify the Varus para, okay, program to replace a small sparrow with a rosette like what those in what. So we want to do something like this, and what a rosette goes wide. Okay, py in pages first. I hope you are with me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now how do you do it? How do you do it? Your case, what did you do?
Sir, please, I made the for n in range. I made the things under the for n in range, follow the for loop over there. But I didn't give me the circle that was supposed
How
to
will
be
you, how will
drawn.
you get the circle? How will you get the circle? If you want circle, what do you need to do?
P dot circle.
So
But
it's
sir, when I
pointing.
wrote that when I typed that, they said it's an error.
So now, see here, it's not the first thing is pointing us to look at Rosette. Did you go and check the rosette6.py? Did you go and check that? You went.
Yes.
Okay, so what did you find out from that side? And then did you also check Rosette gone wide? Did you check?
Yes.
So first thing is, let's check the two. For your program, this one is running. You already know the inner, what is happening. Okay, the first one is what? The forward. Okay, that is what is happening here, the forward. Okay, so now let's first go to your program, okay, and see what is happening there. That will give us the idea of what we needed to do. Okay, so now we first need to go to the, I don't know what you actually did. If maybe show me what you did, or I should, you can let, okay, first thing, let's go there. First thing, let's go to the six. Okay, so this is the game loop. Okay, so we move on to, now we have, this is the first one, right? This is what Rosette gone wide, right?
Yes.
And then here, what was the main thing? We are looking at circle, right?
Yes.
And then the circle. So what you need to do, you can still have this program. So you can see the number of circle, okay, and then pick them from the range function. But here you could see that what did we do? Instead of maybe placing that like 100, what are we doing? We're for the number, okay,
Yes.
and give them. So let's pick this program. Since we want to check them, let's pick this program and check how these programs are working. Okay, and that is going to influence you. I'm not, so you come here. Let's paste this one here. Can you arrange it for me? Hello?
Hi.
Can you arrange it for me?
Okay. Intel.
Mm-hmm.
Settle dot pen.
Mm-hmm.
Settle dot background color.
So that do you need to bring our background color? This one, the background. So let's maintain what we have here. Okay. So we still maintain the white background.
Circles. Number of circles. Integer. Settle dot num input. Number of circles. How many circles in your rosette?
Okay. So this is, so now you can see that at this point here, the range is going to pick it from the number of circles that we will give here, right? Okay, so if we give 4, it's going to pick that, and then going to draw the size with what, maybe 100, as you can see here. And the number of circle is going to divide by 4. So if we place 4, it means that we're going to get the angle was 90, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see. Let's first stop our program. What we are running. Let me stop it. Okay. And let's check this code. So first thing we check it and see. Now, okay, we say the name Wizard Go Wild is not given. So we need to highlight on it and then check this. So now I ask the number, so I'm going to put in 4 and see what happens. So we can see that we have 4 and pick at the angle 90 degrees and draw another one at angle 90 degrees. Another one at angle 90 degrees. So this, hello,
Hi.
yeah, I hope it's clear.
Yes,
So
please.
this is what we got, right? Now
Yes.
that is the Rosette Gone what wide program. Okay, so now what I needed to do is I'm going to save this one. Okay, okay. So now let's move on to the next part. Let's check the next part of the program that we need to work on. So it's talking about Rosette what? Rosette 6.py, right? Hello.
Hi.
Verena, can you hear me?
Yes, please.
It was talking about what? Rosette what? 6.py, right?
Yes.
So let's see Rosette 6.py. Why? Let's pick it up. So okay. So this is the program we have. Okay. So I hope it's clear now.
Yes, please.
Okay. So now you could see that here we're able to get 6. Okay. So pick 6 circle. So it's asking us to be able to come out with something like this. So now let's look at now these are what we needed to modify our program with. Now let's go back to our question and then we look at the output, what the question exactly is asking us for. So at the end of the day, what kind of output is the question months. So let's see. So we should get something like this, right?
Yes, please.
Right?
Yes, please.
Hello?
Hi.
Yeah, Rena, I hope you can hear me. I'm saying that
Yes,
we should get something like this, right?
yes, please.
Okay. So now we look at our program. So the program says that we should replace a small spara with what rosette like, okay? And then the rosette like we have rosette this one is there, and then the other one is there, okay? And the rosette gone wide. What is the difference between the rosette 6 and the rosette gone wide? What is the difference?
The rosette's gone wild.
What is
You you can type the number of circles you want the rosette gone wild to draw, but the rosette 6.py it only draws 6 circles.
okay? So everything is fixed on that side, but the rosette gone wide, you will be able to now determine the number of circles that you want, right?
Yes.
So that is the so now we want to replace our program, the small one that we have there. So when you come here, when you check the program we have, this you can see here the program. This one is asking us the number of size we want, okay? But mind you, here how many sizes are we looking at? What is the maximum of size we can take for this program? For the color para input, what is the maximum that we can, sorry, for the vara spara, sorry, let's go there. I think I made it. So when you check here, what is the number of size? What's
2
the
to
maximum?
6.
What?
2 to 6.
2 to 6. Because why? How many colors do you have?
6.
6. So we need to stick to that. Okay, 2 to 6. So 2 to 6, that is what we need. So now you could see that the first part, this one is going to draw the for M in range 100. Now M in range 100 is going to draw the number of the multiple size of uh, the circle. Okay, so that one we leave. Now when you come here, what is here? You can see the T dot forward. T dot forward is what? What is M dot T dot forward?
M
What are that one? What is it for?
for the
So,
multiple sides.
yeah, for the multiple side. So now, do we need to
No.
since we are working on the because when you run
Hello. Yes,
can you hear me?
please.
Now I'm running Vara Spara. When I run, the question that is how many sides in your Spara do you want? All right. So now let's look at this one. Let me cancel that. And then we look at the rosette gone wide. You could see that. Let's see. What is the difference? What is the difference?
The first, The viral spiral asks you for number of sides, and the rosette gone wild asks you for number of circles.
So the number of sides that we want and then the number of circle that we want. But now we want to change the number of sides to our circle, right? Right?
Hi.
So that is what we want to do. So now we can replace that. Okay, we can
Okay.
replace that. So that is what we need to replace. Okay. So when you check here, how many circles in your room set? That's what it's asking us. Now here also asks us if I run the other one, if I run spara, it also asks me circle. Okay, so we could maintain the same information there. Since we want to modify that code, okay, we want to modify that code. So now we will change here because this time this will give us the number of sides. Okay, so forward need to change to what? Forward need to change to what? Now when we come here,
Circle.
forward need to change to what? Circle.
Circle.
So this part of our code. Now let's first, what we needed to do is that we needed to change. He said we should save this work as what? Spara what? Rosette,
Rosette.
right?
Yes, please.
So let's first save that and then we can modify that. Okay, so I'll go to in the same code, I'll just go to save as since we already have it and then save it different name and run it so we can do our edit. So now we will change here to what? Circle, right?
Yes. Yes, he's there. But he has told me something to do.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Okay, so now what that we needed to change is to change
Side.
the the side. So I've changed the side towards circle. Okay, so now we have here to be circle. Okay, now let's see here. Let's go down there. What do we have here? Now it's asking us that the number of sides. Okay, so now here where we are picking is what are we picking here? Is what? Mm.
Circle.
So here should be what? Here should be what? Circle, right?
Yes, please.
So circle, because when you check here, when you check the rosette gone wide, let's see, it says what the number of what circle, right?
Circle. Yes,
Yeah,
please.
so that is what that we are changing. Okay, so we have a number of circle there, and then we will come to this side. So now here we need to change what is showing as what size to what. So now this one is going to give us the number of time that we can have that. So here we change to what this, because we are going to use this module for the color index, right? So
Yes,
here
please.
circle, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. Then this one, the inner loop one, will also change to what circle, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. Then we have the out now here. Now you can see a t dot forward. So this one will change to what
Circle.
circle. Okay. And then here the outer loop will change to what
Circle.
circle. Okay. Is that how you did it?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we just modify the circle part to this program. Okay. So we are not actually doing any changes. Okay. But let's see how it will work. Okay. So now we've done this modification. We can just save it and then run the code. So you ask her how many circles in your Spara circle, or maybe that one, no problem. So let's still use the T. So we are not getting any number, right? Initially, what is speaking was too small for us. How you've seen that is drawing.
Yes, please.
Because depending on the size as we started with, so it will be small, but as it's move forward, it's going to increase. And we can also decide to do increase the pen size. So if we add increase the pen size, that one is going to increase it a little bit. I hope you saw that one too.
Yes, please.
So if we add the increase the pen size, it's going to increase the size as it's drawing. Okay. So if we want to add the increase the pen size as it's drawing, how will we do that? Can you help? From our previous work we've done, can you help?
T dot pen up.
See dot what?
Pen up.
Pen up. You see the where and just not increasing the size. Okay. So what I want us to do is that now when you check here, see here, the thing says that now then add a code to change the color and the size of the circle in each rosette. Get it? Is what? Then what? Can you read here?
Then add the code to change the colors and size of the sparkles in each rosette.
In each rosette. Okay. So I want you to now that what we'll do is that as it add the tag, it changes the length and the width of the pen slightly. And then I hope we've done some before, you've seen it, right? So
Yes,
now you to do it, and then tomorrow you come, you show me how you do it, and then we complete it. So now let's look at some of the code that add that. Let me show you this. It's already here. Now this program, do you see this? So yeah, you can see.
yes, please.
Okay, so now what we needed to do is that I just want you to go near the size so that the size will increase a little bit as it's going. Okay, if you cannot see it here, you should check some of the work we've done in our previous class. Okay, you should be able to see some of them. That we are going to make the size increase a little bit. Okay, now
Okay.
add that to the code. Thank you very much. Do you have any question for me?
No, please.
Okay, if there's no question, then we can close today's session and see you tomorrow. Please kindly make sure you work on. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Bye bye.